We can remove our unneeded print statement and choose a random color from the list using random.choice. And as expected, this gives us one entry from the All Colors list. So what do you think these print statements will do? Those statements let us access the first, second, and third item in the list. Please create two empty lists, one for the color details and one to hold the scores. Remove the unwanted print statements, and we're going to create a loop so that we can get 4 colors where we don't have duplicate scores. For each color, we can check to see if the score exists, and if it doesn't, we're going to add both the color and the score to their respective lists. Please print out your round colors list and your color scores list. When you run the code, you should get 4 different colors with 4 unique scores, and if you rerun the code, it should choose a different set of 4 colors with different unique scores, where the scores are being treated as strings. To change our scores into integers, we create a new list called IntScores, and we iterate through color scores, making each item an integer. We can sort our list by using the .sort method, which actually changes the list. And if you copy the code on your screen, you can see that we have our list, and then we have our sorted list, where the list itself has been changed. If we have 4 numbers in order, the median score is the second number plus the third number divided by 2. And that's exactly how I'm calculating the median. So we can print it out, and that worked correctly. But we really want our median to be an integer, so we can recycle our rounding function from temperature converter, putting it at the top of our code. We can then call that function and test it. Our next step is to use the code that we've just developed to configure our color round buttons. To integrate this component, please save your game component version 1 as game component version 2. We can put the code that retrieves the colors above our classes, as this is a static helper function. Please put in a comment, create your getColors function with a triple quoted docstring, and put in the code that retrieves the colors from the CSV file. CSV is underlined in red because we need to import it at the top, and I'd put that above the tkinter import. Once we've got the colors, we also want to get our round colors and return the median. This means we want to create another helper function, remembering to include a triple quoted docstring with details of what the function returns. We can then paste in our code from before, and you'll notice that it complains about random, and of course it's going to complain about our rounding function as well. These are easy fixes. We can import random, and we can copy our rounding function from getAllColors and put it with the rest of our helper functions. As this video is getting a little bit long, we're going to continue the process in the next video.